Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into the world of Perlego, an online library that provides access to thousands of academic books and journals through a subscription. Let's explore it together. Perlego positions itself as a next-generation digital library. The site offers access to an extensive and constantly updated catalog of academic and professional literature. You no longer need to overpay for each individual book or keep bulky collections of printed editions. Everything you need for study and research is always at your fingertips. Once you visit Perlego, you'll immediately notice its clean and intuitive interface. Navigation through topics and disciplines is well structured, making it easy to find the book or material you need. Among the key features are keyword search and filters by author, publication date, language, and other characteristics. The ability to highlight text, create notes, and add bookmarks directly within the interface, which makes reading and interacting with the content even more convenient. Personalized recommendations that adapt to your interests and field of study. The platform also supports mobile devices, which allows you to study and work not only at home, but on the go. One of Perlego's main advantages is offering quality literature at a fixed subscription fee. This is especially appealing for students and researchers who need access to a wide range of sources without extra costs. Furthermore, the library is constantly expanding, ensuring the relevance of its information. Here you will find not only textbooks, but also journal articles, analytical reports, and other scientific publications. If you strive to stay up to date with the latest research in your field, Perlego will be a reliable assistant. In summary, Perlego is a modern solution for anyone who values convenience and access to knowledge. Whether you're preparing for exams, working on a thesis, or simply looking to broaden your horizons, you'll find everything necessary for your growth and development here. If you're looking for a quality, well-organized, and regularly updated academic library, Perlego definitely deserves your attention.